We'll be going through two short questions just to prepare you for the ISTQB Advanced Level Certification Exam. For those of you that are still preparing for the version 2.0 of the exam, these questions are very much relevant into enabling you prepare and to ace the exam. These questions are taken from a set of practice material that you could access on my bio page. It's available for you to purchase if you're interested in learning a bit more and having access to the full material. So these are just short questions just to give us a little bit of a taster on how to prepare towards the exam, and also to have an idea of how some of these questions are structured, which is very similar to what you'd expect in the exam. So the first question is regarding the test management section of the syllabus. So question 1, the technical testers have reported issues with slow processing of a high number of transactions in the test environment. The test manager has considered an upgrade of the test environment to imitate the production environment's transaction volume. Which of the following should the test manager consider before making this request? Choose all that apply from the options. So the answer options A to D. Okay. Would you like to have a go at this? Again, this is just to help you prepare for the exam, and please have a go and share your answers in the comment section of the video. Now, the second question, again, is based on the test management section of the syllabus for the advanced level test manager certification. So those of you that are still preparing or planning to take this certification, please do have a look at some of these questions, and I believe and trust that it will help you to prepare for your exam. Again, these are very similar to what you'd actually expect in the exam, and this is definitely a bonus to help you prepare and to confidently take the exam. So the second question, it's basically states an organization has embarked on a new project to enable their workers to work remotely. A software suite was installed to authenticate and secure the network from unauthorized access. The users must have antivirus software on their work laptops and a smartphone running the Android 11 or iOS 14 operating system. The system will be checked for secure connection, the capacity to cope with a high value of concurrent access. Which test plan can mitigate the performance risk of this system? Choose all that apply. So again, you have your answer sections A to D. You have a go at selecting your answer choice, and please share in your comment section or in the comment section. I hope you've been able to answer the question 1 for this practice material. In case you haven't, or in case you'd like us to review the answers is here on this slide. So for the first option, which is option A, as you can see actually from these answers, all of the options are correct. There are no invalid answers. So if you have to go through each one, the option A, which is compatibility of hardware and software, is important to ensure there are no issues in the test environment. Then option B, the components must interact and communicate effectively in the environment that is updated for testing. Option C, smoke testing is valid entry criterion before dynamic testing to resolve issues in advance of this stage. And option D, the volume of the existing data in a database helps to simulate a live environment, perfect for executing performance tests. How did you do? I hope you got the answers right. The answers to question number 2. As you can see, we have two sets of correct and 2 sets of incorrect answers. So I hope you've chosen the right answers when you did the question number 2. And in case you haven't, I'd like us to review the answers together. So firstly, for the correct answer, they are options A and C. Both the unit test plan and system test plan can adopt a performance test strategy to mitigate functional and non-functional risks. However, the system test plan can expand on such tests for the system's end-to-end functions. Then, for the incorrect answers, option B and D. Both acceptance test plans are the final test levels to check whether the software is built as intended for normal business use according to business requirements. There are limited non-functional tests executed at this stage, which might not be enough to reduce the performance risk for this product. So these are the answers for question number 2. How well did you do? I hope you aced it. And in case you haven't, I hope you've been able to learn something here. And I hope you've taken note of the key points from those questions and the detailed description of the answers. Again, if you'd like to have more access to the material, please, you can visit my bio, and from there you can get a link to where you can purchase the material. Again, the materials for the version 2.0 of the ISTQB Advanced Level Test Manager, which will be retired by latest November 2025. So please do have a go. It's going to be very helpful towards your test. And please message me or drop your comments. I'm happy to help you any way that I can. Thank you very much. Bye for now.